the beast. Hi guys, we are in Copart in Texas, South Texas, right? And this is my buddy Mike. This is where we at now. We checking the cars, right? There's a Mercedes. See, it already has an exhaust. Comes with the exhaust. It's a Mercedes. Man, that should crash. E450, right? I used to have E350. I still have one E350. E300, sorry. Hit the engine, hit the gas. Start it. Should be loud. Let's see. I don't want to turn it on, but it looks nice. It's a GT. Ha! That's my max stand. It's a GT. Let's see. Ooh! That was a bad crash. No, I don't like this type of GT. I'm like, but it's cool though. Let's see what we got. Toyota. It's a 2017 Highlander. Yeah, 2017-18 Highlander. Them cars are good. Ooh, that's a bad one. Oh, these airbags came out. 7-seater. Yeah. Range Rover Velar. See, I used to have a Range Rover, but I mean it was the Evoque. Let's see. One key. Let's see. It's sweet though. Lady's car. The title and everything. I mean, I don't want to start it. It already has the key and everything, but I mean, I have a car that I'm working on to see. Them up over here. We're looking for a BMW i8, right? But if we find any car, we'll just pick it up and watch it. Like something like this Camaro, right? Sweet. This one sells better in Africa. They really sell. It's a hot cake in Africa. Those cars are hot cake. Yep. Camaro. I'm not really a fan of Camaro. Let's see this C300 or C250. Maybe we can buy one. One is a C250. Probably will go for a cheaper price.
At it?
No, not yet. We about to look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is it just wrecked in the front here? Huh?
Yeah. Does it run and drive? Does it
I don't know.
Does it start? I'll check it out.
What is that right there?
That's a camera.
Let me check. It
Camera?
says,
Yeah,
I think it says start.
Huh?
It's
Yeah.
a GoPro camera.
A Go what?
A GoPro.
It's a GoPro camera.
Is that what's the name of it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's
Where you
the
buy
name.
that at?
Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon.
GoPro?
Yeah.
GoPro?
Yeah.
Where you guys from? Nigeria?
No, I'm from.
Ghana.
We're from Ghana.
Ghana?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
West Africa.
Right.
I mean, it's closer to Nigeria, though.
Right. Yeah. Well, this is.
You was born in Texas?
No, I was born in California.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we sell it outside.
Where?
Africa.
Oh, you sell them there?
Yeah,
What you
yeah.
see in Mercedes?
Mercedes, I have a lot of Mercedes. They love Mercedes.
Yeah, that's the only kind of car they drive.
Yeah. They love
BMW.
Mercedes and BMWs.
So you sell them in Ghana?
Yeah, yeah.
You buy them and send them
Yeah,
over?
Range Rover, Mercedes, BMW.
How you know they love that car, the Mercedes?
How do you know they
I know some Nigerian people.
Oh.
They got about four Mercedes.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. So you buy cars and send them, ship them.
Yeah.
Is it expensive to do that?
It is, but at the end of the day, you're gonna make your money.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
and you buy a lot of Mercedes. And
Yeah,
stuff?
a lot of Mercedes.
You're gonna send this one to Africa?
I want to drive this one by
yeah?
myself. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's a good business then. Huh?
It is.
Yeah.
It is. Dodge Viper. This car's The beast. Let's check the old school.